That's where I live. Am acolo o blondă frumoasă să uită la mine. N-am treaba. Ai înțeles? This is where I live. You see? Normal house. Look. This is what I eat for breakfast.
Ainsley Cox, Research and Information Officer at Cornwall Council, has made extensive studies at the site.
You see? This is my cupboard. That's my cupboard. This is the rest.
This valley was once home to the region's biggest business, mining.
See?
Cornwall is famous for its tin mines. This is where it started. And the expertise that people built up here, they exported around the world. And Cornish tin drove the Industrial Revolution.
Yeah. This is my fridge. All mine. It's empty. I need to go shopping. Well, it's just enough. I don't need to go shopping too much. I need to finish my fruits. And I've got the limes to do them. And the lemons.
There's evidence of something more lethal.
Normal house.
Capacity to kill
Okay? Not junkie house. Or Dave Wells property rubbish flat. It was an office anyway. Bye bye.